Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on VIVO X200 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Then click open and click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and click allow, then click consent, and you can click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now close this ad again, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.